1. Halo guys, my name is Lailiya Putri Febriyanti, kelas 9E, number 22. The Legend of Prambanan Temple. On the as beautiful Javanese princess was named is Rara Jonggrang. Rara Jonggrang was very famous in the land, was the daughter of Prabu Baka, an evil king. On the handsome young man power naman Bandung Bondowoso defeat and killing Prabu Baka. On sang princess Rara Jonggrang fled south to her dead father. She was also a part of Bandung. So to refuse politely, she made a condition: I will marry you, but you have to build on 2,000 temples in one night as a wedding gift. Requested Rara Jonggrang. Bandung Bondowoso agreed with the condition, helped by spirit of the demons. Bandung Bondowoso started building the temples according magnetic the wall nearly done. Rara Jonggrang know and thought, what shall I do? Bondowoso is smarter than I thought. I will lose again Bandung. Suddenly, thought go and so back up all the windy place and ordered him to make the nice sounds of grinding rice so that the roaster that